Hi parents and students, we will look at two 2023 prelim questions today. Anglo-Chinese School, Junior, Paper 2, Questions 3 and 4. The difficulty levels of both questions are basic, which are meant for AL6 to AL8 students. Some students who have scored better grades cannot answer these questions, either because they are particularly not familiar with average and isometric grid questions or they have neglected the importance of these chapters. The question has been modified in this video. Too many students think they are learning the smart way by copying their teachers' working, whether in school or in tuition centers. The proper way is to learn the concept properly before attempting a familiar question. In our video series, you can do that by buying a set of modified 2023 mathematics preliminary exam papers from us. WhatsApp WS Prelim to 88997754. Follow the YouTube videos if you encounter difficulties with the problems. And don't be shy to ask questions in the comments if you still do not understand. We shall start with question 3 now. The table below shows the number of marks Peter has scored in English, math, and science. Peter will receive a reward from his parents if he scores an average of AL4 standard, 75 to 79 marks, or above, for each subject. He did not expect to score only 59 marks on math. Luckily for him to find this YouTube channel, AL1 and PSLE. He will subscribe and practice every day, so that he can improve his average for each subject. How many marks must he achieve for mother tongue to receive his reward? Looking at the table, we can see that Peter has scored 81 marks for English, 59 marks for mathematics, 76 marks for science, and an unknown number of marks for mother tongue. If you know the concept of average, you will understand that if you did not do well in one particular subject, and to still do well on the average, you will have to score higher than your target average in the other subjects. Recall what you learnt in the chapter on average. To find average, we will divide the total by the number of all items. This question tests us on the opposite concept. To find total, we simply multiply the average by the number of all items. So for the first step, we will write total required marks arrow 75 multiply by 4 to get 300. This means that to score 75 for the average of 4 subjects, we must score a total of 300 for the 4 subjects. And the next step is very obvious for us. The required number of marks for mother tongue can be found by subtracting the 3 scores from 300. So, 300 minus 81 minus 59 minus 76. That will give us 84 marks. Peter has to score 84 marks in mother tongue to get the reward from his parents. If you have learned something from this video so far, please subscribe and like this video. We will be there for you throughout your PSLE year. Help will be available on this channel. Turn on the notification bell to get updated in time. Let us proceed to question 4, Isometric Grid. The diagram below shows 2 drawn lines of a trapezium ABCD. Complete the drawing of the other 2 lines, where AB is half of CD and AB is parallel to CD. Please highlight the keywords AB is half of CD and AB is parallel to CD. Did you know that parallel lines have the same amount of slope, or rather the 2 lines are either gentle slope or steep slope in the same way? If that is confusing, then we shall say that the 2 lines will go down and across, or up and across, in the same way, but not necessary of the same length. Let us draw and you will see. We can visually identify the midpoint of CD. Draw lightly and faintly, a vertical line down and horizontal line to meet the midpoint. You can see a right-angled triangle, that way you know you have done it right. Again, we will draw the same 2 lines, this time from the midpoint to D. Now, we can draw the same 2 line once more, this time from B to A. Once we have identified the location of point A, we can straight lines from point B to point A, and point D to point A. Superb, guys! How is the explanation today? Please share with me in the comments below. If you have any problem sums troubling you, drop me a comment and I will try to do a video explanation. Finally, please share this video with your friends and family. To check out weekly Zoom lessons information, WhatsApp ZL Prelim to 88997754. See you next time.